Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get the pizza. So right here I've got the ingredients for a legendary pizza. I have got this corn, I'll put that in there, this pepper, this sugar apple, and finally this tomato. And we're going to cook this. And oh gosh, it's 30 minutes, so I'm just gonna skip this. Please like and subscribe so then I can get more Robux because I am poor. Alright, so I've got my pizza. Let's see how big this is. Remember guys, the bigger the fruits, the better pizza you have. Look at this pizza that I just got. It's so big. So if you want more tutorials on how to get different foods, then make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.